Namaste students. Today we are going to see the continuation of Unit 3 Digital Documentation. Today we are going to see the topic Table. The topic which we are going to see today is creating a table, operations on the table and printing. So first of all, let us understand what is a table. Table means intersection of rows and columns. Rows are the horizontal lines and the columns are the vertical lines. So now let us understand how to create a table in LibreOffice Writer. There are three methods to create a table. The first option is click on the table menu and then click insert table option. Second method is click on the table icon which is present on the standard toolbar. And the third method is we can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus F12. After using any of the methods, specify the number of rows and columns in the dialog box which appears and then click on the insert button. The table with the specified number of rows and columns will be appeared. This is our LibreOffice Writer. The first option is click on the table menu and click on the insert table option. As soon as you click on the insert table option, the dialog box appears. If you want to change the name, you can change the name here. If you want to change in the number of columns or in the rows, you can make the changes. In this case, we have taken 4 columns and 2 rows. This is the style of the table. There are many styles appears. We can select the table style according to our requirement. Here we have taken 4 columns and 2 rows. So this is our table. Now as I said, second method is we have to use standard toolbar. Now click on standard toolbar and then insert table option from here. Either you can specify the table from here, that is the number of rows and column. We can able to see the way it's showing, or else we can use the shortcut key. What is the shortcut key for creating table? As I said, Ctrl plus F12. So these are the 3 ways for creating a table in a document. Now we are going to see the advantages of a table. Using tables, we can easily find out the information as the data is summarized in the form of columns. If a data is written in the paragraph, we want to search any particular data, it would be difficult for us to find the data. Since in a table the data is arranged in the form of vertical and horizontal lines, it makes the data more understandable and efficient. It provides detailed information in a grouped form. It also helps in comparison of the data easily. Suppose if you want to compare the mark of 2 students of yearly, we can easily compare by looking at the marks which is present in the table. The data which is arranged in the table, it looks more clear and neat. Next, we are going to see about the operations on a table. That means what are the things which we can perform in a table. Inserting rows and columns, deleting rows and columns, splitting and merging cells in a table. Splitting means dividing the cells and merging means combining the cells. Deleting a table and copying a table. By copy and paste and moving a table by using cut and paste. Here we have a table which has 4 columns. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 4 column name are roll number, name, class and section. And how many rows we are having? We are having 2 rows. First row containing the headings and the second row containing the data. So here in this case, what we have to do means, we want to insert one more row below this row because we want to enter the details of a second student. So the method is, first of all we have to place the above or below the row, and then we have to click on the table menu and click on the insert option. Here you can see the four options: row above, row below, columns before and column after. So we have to click on rows below. So can you able to see the row have been created? Similarly, if we want to add one more column, we can add the column also. Again go to table, then click insert and then click column or after. So it will create a column after section. Depend upon the requirement, we can create a column before or after. So can you able to see the column is created before the section. Similarly, if I want, for example, I am writing here 2, then I am typing the data. Now I want the row to be present in between 1 and 2. So I will be placing the cursor on the row number 2 and then click table insert, and I am using the option rows above. Now you can see a blank row is created between 1 and 2. So this is the way we can insert a column or row in a table. Above or below depends upon the option we are choosing. We have done this process by using a table menu. We can also do these things by right clicking. Also, if I right click here, it will show the options. So if I am clicking insert, can you able to see the options here? If I want to delete a row, we can use delete option also. If I want to delete the column, we have to right click a name, then delete, and then click delete columns. So that particular column will be deleted. So in the table menu, we have both the option insert as well as delete. Even the old table is deleted with the help of delete option. If I said delete table, you can see here the whole table has been deleted. If I am clicking on the undo button, already the table which I have created will be coming here. The next one is splitting and merging the cell. The splitting, I told you that, which means dividing the cell. If I want to merge two cells, so first of all we have to select the two cells, then we have to go to table option and then we have to click on merge cells. Now you can see here the name and the class column got merged. So both the cell have been merged into one cell. So the data which is present in class, it moves on to the name column. If I want to split again, then I have to go to table option again and then click on split cell. So it gets split into in the split cell we can give the numbers. So we want the cell to be split in two cells, so I am giving 2. I want my cells to be split vertically, so I am clicking vertically and then giving OK option. So the data we have to cut and paste and we have to specify there. We can do by using cutting and pasting feature also. Next topic we are going to see is printing a document. The first method is we have to click on file and print, or we can use the shortcut key Ctrl+P. When I completed my work, for taking a printout, I can use file print option, or I can use shortcut key Ctrl+P. Okay. If I want to see the print preview option, which means to view the document before printing. When I want to print a document, before printing, I want to view the document how it looks. For that, we are using print preview option. The shortcut key for print preview is Ctrl+Shift+O. Okay, to view the document before printing, a user can check whether the document is prepared as needed, such as indentation, border, etc. So if you are before taking the printout, if you are seeing the print preview, means it will be helpful for us to rectify the errors. So whenever if we need any space in between paragraph, that time by seeing the print preview option we can able to identify easily and we can do the changes and then we can take the printout. The next topic is printing all pages, single and multiple pages. To print all pages, we have to choose option all pages. To print a single page, we have to choose the option pages and give the page numbers separated by comma. So if I want to print particular pages, for example, I am having a document. In that document it contains 10 pages. I want only the pages of 3, 6 and 9. That time what I will be giving, I will be giving the value only 3, 6, 9, means the particular page alone will be printed. Okay. After giving the particular page number, then I am clicking the OK option, means the particular page alone will be printed. Understood, students? If I want one page 3 copies, means what I will do? I will be increase the number of copies. Already the default value will be 1. So if I want 2, 3 or 5 copies, means I'll be entering the numbers in the copies text box. In the copy option will be there while printing. While I'm pressing Ctrl plus P, that time a screen will be open with a dialog box. In that I'll be entering these details, then I'll be clicking OK. I hope you all understood the concept of tables and printing a document. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, students.